Hey everybody, welcome back to another Universe Jarvis episode, video, whatever you want to call it. So this is going to actually be really quick. I've been ordering a lot of stuff. Is that really so different from what I normally do though? I don't really think that it is. But anyhow, so placed an order and it's for some Crocs, which I haven't done a Crocs video in a while, I don't think. I don't actually remember the last one that I did. It's been quite a while now that I think about it. But anyhow, so random kind of last week thing. I was actually in a meeting and I was bored, so I checked my email and saw they were having a sale. So there was a coupon involved, and here we are, right? So this is gonna be super quick, like I said, because there's only 2 pairs. But let's jump right in. And as I jump into this, I'm probably going to point something out about one of the things or one of the items. So I don't know if you haven't watched one of my older videos, I got some Keith Haring ones. I think it was last year around my birthday, so go back and rewind and go to June. And I got, there's a Keith Haring line came out, I think it was right before my birthday, and there was some Basquiat stuff too. Got all of those. Honestly, out of all of those that I've ordered, I think it was a total of, I want to say 3 or 4 pairs. I've only worn the Crush Clog that was the Keith Haring little situation. And that one I actually really like a lot, and I wear it because I don't know, there's something about wearing something clunky and with a, well, I don't know if you would call it a wedge. A platform is the word that I'm looking for. There's something about wearing a platform that just makes you feel big, powerful, like you're gonna take over the world. So, thus, this order. Alright, so I don't know, I guess, now that I think about it, Crocs can never actually put these in boxes, I guess, because they're so freaking big and heavy. So this one, let's see, let's read it. It's a Mega Crush Clog, and this is actually kind of like a lavender, a lilac, whatever you want to call it. And these actually aren't for me, they're for someone else, but let's take a look at them. So, there you go. These are fun. They give very much, I'm rugged, I'm going outside, I'm getting ready to do some stuff. They've got a really nice bottom, which I think they kind of have to have this tread situation going on for you to grip because they're so freaking heavy. I don't know, they just seem kind of rugged in that instance, but these are actually kind of nice. So I'll get in a little bit closer. So that's actually a lighter purple. So this I would probably call a lilac. Oh, I don't know. This is probably like a lavender, maybe a lilac, soft purple, you know, darker purple. Not quite a royal purple. And then the bottom, the sole of this is actually really cool. I like the kind of speckles that are in there. That probably has a proper name, but I really like it. It reminds me a lot of a Rachel Ray, her trash bowls, if you guys know her when she had her pots and stuff. So these are actually really cool. So that's exciting. Let's look at this other one. This other pair is actually mine. So let's see. Now, I think I was going to kind of give you guys a little bit of a story before I got into these. Now, I don't know if you guys can see that little icon that's on there. So I am not a fan of this artist, and I have my reasons for it. Because I feel like music artists, I guess I should say, because I feel like they kind of doing the most. Or, I don't know, it gets to a point where you just kind of, I feel like, in my opinion, of course, if you don't like my opinion, then sorry, it's my opinion. But I feel like it gets to a point with some of the artists where they start doing the most. And I get it, you kind of have to, I guess, in that industry, but I don't know. It's just kind of how he started and where he is now. No, I probably didn't even say the artist yet, Lil Nas X. I'm not really a fan of some of the style. He actually had another drop that came out, I want to say, I think it was last year. It was this clunky Mega Crush Clog with this brown fleece on it. It was not. No, thank you. So I don't know if it was his idea to go with that or it was Crocs. I don't know, but it should have not gone anywhere, honestly. And I'm not a big fan of when I see the fuzzy Crocs on the outside. I don't really quite get that, because if that lining's on the outside, what is that really doing other than you're walking around and getting disgustingly dirty? And I mean, it's not like you can really put them in the washing machine, so you're gonna probably have to spot clean it anyway. So not a fan. If the line's on the inside, that makes perfect sense because it's gonna keep your foot warm. I actually have some of the line ones. I don't really wear them that often, but I don't know. Anyhow, so this is another Mega Crush that was done in his line, I guess. And I didn't actually know his line continued, which I thought was interesting. When now I actually kind of love this. Now that I'm seeing, I didn't know it had like this iridescent stuff going on. I got these for a couple reasons. Not because of him, as you guys can hear. And if I find a way to cover that up or do something with it, I think I probably will. But I really like gemstones. I'm a rock guy. And I thought it was really cool that the gibbets on here are these nice little cool stones. They're kind of giving me like this geode fantasy. I thought that was kind of nice. They're even on the back. Even though they're a lighter color, and like I said, I didn't realize that iridescent shimmer kind of came throughout the shoe. So it's actually got some reflective like glittery specks in there, and they do not transfer to my hand, which is phenomenal. And then you've got that part right there that's kind of got the iridescent stuff going on as well. And then the sole, kind of playing off the same thing, just kind of a nice light beige. It's a really light color shoe. I feel like I don't have a dark pair of these yet. Even my Keith Haring ones are white. But with these, it hadn't really been a big issue, and plus, I think if they start to get dirty, I can probably wipe them off anyway. So this is the other one. I just kind of want to see a comparison between the two. Actually, they almost look identical on the top, and actually, yeah, they actually did make them, well, the only difference is I see that's placed somewhere differently, but everything else is the same, so they didn't make the two shoes different. They're pretty much identical. And I want to say they were $45. And I feel like that purple pair was more, but then there was a coupon where I got like another 10 off. So all in all, for both pairs of these, I ended up spending $75, which is awesome. These shoes are usually a little bit more. These are usually around $100 for these. So, I mean, I honestly couldn't pass that up. And yeah, I'm gonna have to see how these look. Cause I mean, I don't know, they're giving me a little bit of a lot. And I'm gonna have to see what the vibe is when I put them on, if I like how they look. Because they are, with them being a platform, generally people are going to say that's a more feminine shoe, and more of a feminine type shoe anyhow, which this softness of this, it's kind of making me wonder a little bit what it's going to look like once I put it on, but we'll see. I mean, I actually think they're pretty cool, but if I put them on my feet and I don't like them, then they can probably go back. But these are actually men's size, so it's a men's size 9, but I think I'm going to like them. It's something different, and you guys know if you watch any of my videos, I like things that are different. So, there we go. So, 2 more shoes to add to the collection. I actually need to go through some more stuff. I actually have to go through my closet again. I just took a haul of stuff to Plato's Closet, which is a resale store. I don't know I don't know how big they are in the country or the world for that matter, but I don't know. That's it. That's all I got. So until the next video drops, Universe Jarvis out. Oh, almost forgot. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button below, like and comment, and you guys are awesome.